Hello, I'm Dr. Jason Lowry. I'm a board certified and fellowship trained orthopedic surgeon with Arlington Orthopedic Associates, and I wanted to talk today about reverse total shoulder replacement. Shoulder replacement in general is indicated for patients that have severe arthritis of their shoulder. Sometimes that can be from an injury, sometimes it can be from wear and tear, which is what we call degenerative arthritis. Another particular type of arthritis in the shoulder is when the rotator cuff muscles of the shoulder stop working, and there's many different reasons for that. Most commonly is just simply worn out tearing of the rotator cuff tissues. But some of us also can develop problems with the rotator cuff because they have neck issues with chronic nerve issues that make the muscles not work. And so we call that rotator cuff insufficiency with arthritis. And it can be a very severe problem, really in causing a lot of pain and difficulty with daily activities. So if you're having issues with your shoulder, please come see me at our Arlington, Mansfield, and Midlothian locations.